In this video, we will learn about how to configure Hajana One cpanel email with MS Office Outlook. First of all, open the MS Outlook. Click on Tools and then click on Account Settings. Now, click on New for adding new email account. Enter your name. Enter your email that was created in Hajana One cpanel account. And enter password. Please note, don't check in manual configuration checkbox here. And then click Next button. It will search connect your mail server automatically, as you can see here. And you will see that your POP3 email account is successfully configured. Now click on Finish. And then close this setting dialog box. Now click on Send/Receive option to checking this configuration status. It will show that your sending and receiving both are configured successfully. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.